So this came in the mail today. It's from FedEx, or more precisely, does this give you a hint yet? The Ultra Pen Motorola. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Razr Fold 2026 sound by Bose. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. Dolby Vision Atmos. Oh my goodness. One of the most exciting things I've waited for this year is this, the Razr Fold, and it's probably going to be the best foldable this year, at least here in the US. Let's open her up, and I can't even tear a piece of paper. Look at that. I'm weak sauce. Oh my goodness. That's what I get for not eating a breakfast. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, I got the white. Yes. I was telling them to keep it a surprise. It was either the black, gray, blue, whatever it was, or this Pantone white. Thanks for choosing our products. Oh, okay. I'm gonna try to get this out and see what happens. Oh my goodness. Now, the moment of truth. This is Motorola's first gen. It feels like when I open and close it, like from the closed position, and when I pop it open and prop it open, it feels like it wants to help you open it. You see it? It's moving a little bit. It wants to help me like open it all the way. It's not a negative thing at all. It's just very different. Feels really nice, pretty snappy, and not bad for first gen. And check out, oh my goodness. And according to DxO Mark, I know that's with a grain of salt there, but according to DxO Mark, this is the best foldable camera in the business based on their tests. So there you go, USB-C. We have the speaker grill down here, some mics, and more speaker grill at the top and more mics, all the antenna lines. And here you have the Moto action button, if I'm not mistaken. And you got the volume buttons as well as the power, which is also the built-in fingerprint sensor, which is great. Let's power this on and see what happens. So this has the front screen is a 6.6 inch, all POLED, of course, 165 hertz on this one. And then the inner one is an 8.1 inch, which is 120 hertz max. And guess what? 6,200 nits, outdoor nits on this one. That beats Samsung and everybody else, which is fantastic. And the front screen is no slouch either. It's 6,000 nits. Oh my goodness, Gorilla Glass ceramic 3. I'm not sure what's on the inside, what protection there is. But of course, there's this layer of, according to the documentation there is a screen protector. So they say don't remove that. Oh, it feels so good in the hand. I'm excited about this one, guys. So anyways, I'm gonna keep testing this. This is just the beginning. I just want to show you guys because I'm so excited about this phone. If you haven't heard my excitement in my voice or anything like that, but I just want to show this to you guys. And if you have any questions, hit me up down in the comments below and let me know what you'd like me to test. Thanks for watching.